again, guys, we've serviced the Mustang and now we're going to change the mufflers. Taking the rear, it's already got a muffler delete in the middle one, or resonator, whatever you want to call it. Now the mufflers at the back are going to be changed for high flow, and we're just doing that before and after. Hang on. This has got a good microphone, so yeah, we're ready. Alright, I just removed both the factory mufflers and I thought, let's have some fun. Let's see what it sounds like straight pipe, because it's got no resonator and no mufflers now. Here they are.
Yeah.
No, not yet. They're the ones we removed. And these are the ones that are going back in. They're about a third of the size, but they're basically straight through. Alright, step back a bit, like the same position I was before. Let's go, bro. But the microphone was redlining, so yeah, I don't think the police will let you drive away with that. All right, now let's put these new little babies back on. Hang on. Okay, we finished installing the, how do you pronounce it? Roush?
Roush.
Well, I would say it's Roush, but hey, Roush it is. Here we go, finally fitted. So this is without resonators. It's got the cats. We don't believe in cat removal here. We think it's animal cruelty. Sorry. So we've just got the cats and then the two Roush mufflers at the back, which is basically you can look straight through. Right, so, all right, here we go. It is inside the chore. Shit, hang on. There'll be big trouble with Mr. Blood if you do that when he's around. Alright. First job for the hoist, proper job. So we are pretty much fully equipped to just about do anything now in this place. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. The muffler delete on the GT Mustang. Take care, be good. And if you enjoyed it, I don't ask you to subscribe, but you can if you want to. Please just click the like. I'd really appreciate it. The more likes I get, you know, the better it is for me. And it doesn't, you don't get annoyed by new clips, it's just a like. So please, thank you, take care. Alright, decided to put a bit of bonus footage. So, I'm driving it away. Because the sound is very different in the shed, of course. So, here we go. Yeah. Bit too loud for my liking, but it's their own. He thought it'd be less raspy from what he read on the internet, but in fact it's more raspy. But I think that's probably because the middle resonator has been removed. I think it'd be nice if the resonator was still in the middle. It'd be alright. I said if it gets too much, just add a couple of hot dogs or something, a couple of small resonators after the H-pipe.